Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to present the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart and we will be talking about the technical indicators, and we will try to understand what the charts are telling us technically. So let's quickly get started, and this is the first chart, daily chart of Bitcoin. So again, we were talking about this thing that because of the less volumes, because of the buyers and sellers are not much there in the cryptocurrency segment nowadays. That's the reason the price is not moving much. So it's just taking up a support at 20,000 level. So again, not much to say. And once the fundamentally situation will you can say recover, or you can say it will just start boosting up, definitely we will see that the price will go up, because nowadays we can see that most of the exchanges they are just facing lot of issues with the withdrawals, with the some other issues. So that could be the reason that that is one of the reason where the traders are having very less interest in this segment, and that's the reason not much volumes are there, and that's the reason the price is not moving up or down. So that's something you can see that for maybe for some more days we will definitely see that the price will hold up this 20,000 level if something big negative doesn't come. So that is something you can expect here. And levels for the daily chart or for the short term for Bitcoin will be 22,600 will be the resistance, and 20,000 will be the support area. Now let's talk about the Ethereum. So for the Ethereum, it's just holding up a level of 1050. In case of the Bitcoin, we can see a less movement, but in case of Ethereum, we can expect a movement, right? So the price is just trading in this area. This is a range, right? So it's just trading here in this area. So this area is basically we have two levels here. The resistance is 1215 and the support is 1050. So every time once the price comes to 1050, you can expect a rise of price in the till the time it will reach to 1215, and vice versa. So again you can see that it is basically trading at around very near to 1175. It's at 1175, so it's very near to this resistance. So you might expect that the price will reach here, and then you will see a fall again to 1050 level. So it's a complete range bound trade which we can see in case of the Ethereum. So however, in between this range we are getting increase in the volumes on some days. So not consistently, but yes, it is like something, some days we are getting it at most of the time it's like flat volumes. So this is the movement, and this will be the range for the Ethereum. And we might expect breakout once the global situation, fundamental situation settle down, and then once the people or the traders will again come back into this segment, and then we might able to see more volumes, more trading activity coming up. So till that time you can just see the prices in this range only for the Bitcoin and Ethereum. And once the breakouts will happen, then we will decide what can happen after that. So thanks for watching us today, and this is all from my side. Please subscribe to the channel and also hit the like option if you like this video. Also you can hit the notification bell icon so that you don't miss out any notification in future. So thank you so much for watching us today.